Well guys, we got a flickering light here. It needs to be changed. This one, fine. This one, flickering. Okay guys, I picked this 4-pack of lights, Commercial Electric. That's what we use. I'm not getting paid to say that. It's just what we use for our houses. Been using them for a while. Here is the code if you want to pick up some of these. It does have a selector switch on the back of these lights. And here it is right here. So you can change it. Different colors of light. Daylight, bright white, neutral white, soft white, warm white. So you can choose what you want. This just plugs right into your light. The end of the cord is going to go right down in here. And we'll get to that here in a minute. Do want to say that these lights have 9 watts instead of a traditional 65 watt bulb. And they have 700 lumens. Okay. Also guys, if you like these videos, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us out. It's free to subscribe. You just hit the little subscribe button. That's all you got to do. Also, here's the front of the light, what it looks like. So it's a pretty nice light. Okay, here we go. These little hangers, these little hooks. It's got one of those grooves like that. And then they hang. Little switch. See, these didn't have the option with the light. These do. I want to put it all the way up. And I want the soft light. So I'm going to go 1 click down to the soft light. Hit the new cord.
What? Go put your shoes on. Go put your shoes on. Hurry. So you can put socks. Oh, you